Every time I try to record, the house just automatically starts getting loud. I don't understand why, but I think it's because I try to record at like prime times when everyone's awake and it's just long.
I don't really do relations, but we rocking like a ship. Ride for me, baby, like this 40 on my hip, and I don't fuck with these hoes.
Today I'm doing a video on a different kind of wig. So I usually just do frontals and closures, but I've never done like a full lace or what I'm about to do today. A company reached out to me by the name of NeatandSleek. They basically specialize in braided wigs. So they have like box braid wigs, they have cane rolled wigs, they have all different types of wigs, and they reached out to me and asked me if I would review it and kind of see how good the product is. So I agreed, because I felt like, you know what, braided wigs is actually such a good idea. Like, you don't ever think, okay, people think like, oh, it's just girls that, you know, want to have long hair, wear braided, like wear wigs in general. Like, wigs are good for people that are going through medical like conditions and stuff like that, that, you know, can't actually do certain hairstyles. Wigs are like a way of them being able to do it. So I thought, yeah, let me give this braided wig a go, because I know that maybe some of my subscribers, they might not be able to achieve certain styles, and this wig might be able to help them. So I'm gonna show you the wig. I'm gonna show you the wig and how I install it. So this is the wig out of the packet. So I did tie it up, because I knew, like, from the beginning, I thought when I try this on, this is going to be all in my face, and nah. So this is the wig. As you can see, like, the lace is like really thin. It's like HD lace, but it's kind of got like a brown tinge to it. So this is the wig. It comes with like little baby hairs, and it's full lace, so no tracks, it's all full lace. I'm gonna put it on and show you guys. I do have a bold cap underneath this thing right here. If it looks like I'm looking over here, guys, it's because my mirror is over here, okay? Do this even fit you, Remy? Oh, it fits. This is not too bad, you know, considering I actually can't pluck it anyway. Like, I actually can't pluck it because there's hair. And I feel like if I turn around to the back, you guys will see, like, can you see parting? Can you see like scalp kind of? I don't know, hopefully you can. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna install it, yeah. And then I'm gonna come to you guys like with my review of how the lace is. But right now, the only like thing I'm thinking is the hairline's too sharp. Like, you could have, like, you know, whose hairline is this full? Like, this ain't realistic. Especially if you've been wearing braids, your hairline is not gonna be this full. Trust me. And the hairline's just too straight off, man. But they've done the braids good. The construction of the actual braids are really good. Actual construction of it, bang on actually. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna install it using my got to be glue. This is the travel size, because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the yellow one. In the past, I've always used the black glue, so I never tried the yellow one. Lately, I've just been using the yellow glue. Amazing. I put like 2 coats of this on. Personally, I wish that the hairline wasn't so like straight across, because my hairline's not like that. Like, naturally, it's a bit more round. So that's just the only thing that's gonna bug me. So I'm just gonna cut around my ears. And the positioning is really good, guys. Like, look at this. This is like really good positioning. Positioning is A1, in fact. glue down the other side, and I'm just gonna style the baby hairs. So the baby hairs on this unit are really thin, but I think it kind of is fitting for the style. I do like the wig, but it doesn't match like my hairline. That's the only thing that I have to complain about. I'm just gonna get my foam and style my baby hairs. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just foam the braids at the front. I know this is not my hair, yes, but you know, I want it to be laid. And I want the lace like behind it to kind of melt if it can. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna define like the partings with some foundation. I think this one is a bit too thick in the middle. So far, I haven't like finished my hair or whatever, but so far the only like problem that I'm having with this wig is the fact that the hairline is just too straight, doesn't match my face, and that the like inside here is a bit too full, but right at the back like it looks really thin. So yeah, that's the only thing. When I have my normal braids, I don't have so much braids on the top. I wish the hairline was just a bit better and that it wasn't so heavy on the top. Like, they need to put less braids up here because ugh. It's just a bit hard to like move the edges around because of how it's situated, but I just want, like, I kind of wanted to brush them out a little bit. But yeah, guys, this is the wig. Oh, exciting! But the wig looks like this is super cute. So I just done like a little half up, half down. Ears are in check, and considering it's got to, I used got to be glue, this is quite good. I'll show you what it looks like when it's down. So my only criticism of this wig would be that the lace, like the hairline's too much, so the hairline, they need to make it a bit thinner, and also they just need to put less braids on the top, because there is a lot of braids on the top of the actual unit, whereas I feel like if it was someone's actual hair, more braids, like, or bigger braids would be at the back, and then not so many braids on top. I don't know, but it doesn't feel heavy. It's not heavy at all. The lace is really good. Like, the lace is as good as it looks on camera, it looks in real life. It's really nice. I think this is gonna be just like a oh, I'd love to try like a K-mode wig instead, and to see how the K-modes are. But literally, guys, this wig, I'm really happy with it. I think considering they don't like, considering someone, this is not actually my braids, it's not bad, you get it. I think wigs like this is good for people that don't have like strong edges, or they suffer with hair loss or things like that, and they're not able to get hairstyles like this and achieve these looks. I think it's so good, because obviously not everybody can just, you know, have braids, you get it. So things like this, don't just think, oh, why don't you just get box braids, because certain people can't. So it's a good alternative for people that actually can't get braids. This wig is from NeatandSleek. This is their box braid unit. Once again, they do have like braided, like cornrowed units, and I think they sell other wigs as well, but I think it's mainly just braided wigs that they specialize in. Any questions or anything, feel free to message me on my socials because I'm always there. Make sure you got me on Instagram, Snapchat, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.